Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to fix "it's time to close Instagram" problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're getting the pop-up or the notification that it's time to close Instagram, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with the pop-up here, typically it's a setting that is set into your account. Now, if you've set up a, let's just say, a limitation or a limit on the daily use on your Instagram account, well, in this case you will get this pop-up once you do reach that threshold. Now, typically before you turn off that setting, I would highly recommend you to press and hold on Instagram, click on the eye icon at the top left here, and click on the option that says clear data at the bottom right. Click on clear cache, click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to open up the Instagram app again. Go to your profile at the bottom right of your screen, click on the 3 bar icon at the top right of your screen, and you want to go ahead and choose time management. Now, from here, you want to go and choose daily limit, and you want to make sure that this is actually turned to off. Now, once you have this set to off, that should solve your issue. And by the way, if you can't access Instagram directly as of this moment, you may need to wait for the time or the timer to run out so that you can start using it again. And from then on, do the same steps I've just did here. And that should prevent any occurrences of that problem later on. And if you're using, like, let's just say a teen account, so in this case a parent is managing your account or your usage on the Instagram app here, and they set a specific time limit on how long you could use the app, well, you just need to ask them to update or maybe increase the time that you could use Instagram, because right now this is the only way for them or for you to start accessing Instagram again. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.